Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome to our channel. And in today's video, we will learn how to share project on Capcut in PC. So let's start. First of all, open Capcut on your device or on your PC. After that, to share your project, now let's say we are gonna share this project to another PC or say to someone else. First of all, on your timeline, just click anywhere but outside this media. Once I click on this timeline, at the right hand side of your screen, you will see the details of your project, such as the name, the path where your project is saved, its ratio, its resolution, and other information. Right here, you will see an information that says saved. This shows where your project is stored on your computer. So by following this path right here, we can simply go to that location and then save this project to someone else through various media. But before that, we are gonna modify some of. For that, you will see a modify option just below that section. So just tap on modify option. After that, a dialog box will pop up. Here you will see an import material. So in order to share all the materials that you have used on your project, you will see an option that says copy to project. So once you click on there, all your materials that you have used while creating your project will alone get transferred. So for that, click on this copy to project and be sure of this path right here. That is where our project is saved on our device, through which we will be able to share our project. After that, simply tap on save. Once you're done with that, go to this location and share your project to someone else. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe make sure to subscribe, like and comment. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.